Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to save and archive stories on your phone and Instagram. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you want to save your Instagram stories to your phone, here's how you can do it. Start by tapping open your Instagram application. Make sure you're signed into it. Once you are, go to your profile picture at the bottom right corner. This will open up your Instagram profile. Now, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner, which will bring out an expanded menu. Tap Settings from the option. Under Settings, tap on Privacy. Now, under Interactions, select Story. Under Saving, make sure to enable the button right next to Save Story to archive. Once you do that, you'll be able to automatically save photos and videos in your archive so that you won't have to save them on your phone. Remember that only you will be able to see them after they disappear from your story. You can also download stories right when you make them by pressing the More button at the bottom right and tap on Save Photo. That was how you can easily save and archive your stories on your phone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.